welcome back. Myself Siddhi, and this is the second video of my 20-day series to crack NIFT. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you guys about the English that comes in the GAT paper. If you haven't seen my first video, then the link is in description box. Go and do watch it as it briefs you about the negative marking and the pattern of the paper. So continuing to the second video of today, that is basically about the English that comes in GAT paper. So I have taken quite a few last year papers and tried to analyze the basic type of questions that come in the paper. So coming on to some books that I would like to refer and from which I prepared the very last year to clear 2019 NIFT exam. What I used was Arihant guide for NIFT, NID as well as for other design colleges. So in that book you find all the GAT parts divided. From that in particular English section, I'm going to tell you about 7 topics that you need to work for, and if you have less time left then you can leave the other topics given in the book, as the questions will come only from these 7 parts that I'm going to tell you. Also, I'm going to tell you which part is more important and which part do you need to practice from that book, and I will be telling you something about the previous year question papers as well. So basically English section is having 7 to 8 topics, from which one of the topics is sentence completion, synonyms, antonyms, then singular, plural, as well as the idioms, phrases, one word substitution, and then spelling test. So when we encounter questions, all the English part is basically from this. Now coming on to how to prepare for it. So what I would suggest is, firstly for antonyms and synonyms, both of these constitute 5 questions. Every year you encounter 2 questions from synonyms and 3 questions from antonyms. So what you need to do for this is, when you open the Arihant guide for it, you just need to solve its back exercises. Only the back exercises. You do not need to read the whole paras and the long list of the antonyms and synonyms for it, as every year the questions repeat themselves and the same questions are encountered. So this way you score 5 marks for sure from synonyms and antonyms. Now moving on to spelling test. So there are certain rules from which you given in the Arihant book that I am telling you guys about, from which you just need to by heart the rules. Then go to the exercises part and then practice them in the exercises part. And there are some examples given in the book, you just need to read them. That's it. That's how you are again going to score 5 more marks. Then moving on to one word substitution, idioms and phrases. All 3 these together form 5 questions from your English section. And for idioms, one thing which you need to do is that you need to read them daily. Like take out 10 minutes from your schedule and plan every day that you need to read them. Just go through them once in a day through all the idioms. And believe me, till the 19th of January 2020, you will be really thorough with them. They will be on your tongue, the meanings will be very clear, and it will help you gain 5 marks again in the question paper. That matters a lot. So now moving on to singular and plural forms. So these are the very basic questions that every kid knows. Like all the special cases are the only things that form questions in English section of singular and plural, like ox, oxen. So this was very obvious. You just need to go through them once. Now coming on to one word substitution. So one word substitution, you need to by heart it, like all the lists given in the book. You need to by heart each and everything, because these are somewhat different from our daily life usage. So you need to prepare for that, and also the back exercises given in the book. Now the most important tip for today, that even if you don't have the Arihant guide, all you just need to do is go through last 10 years question paper of NIFT. In the description box I am linking a link through which you can find all the previous year question papers you need to solve both of them, the undergraduate as well as the postgraduate paper for NIFT entrance exam. And specifically the English section. In this way, the questions are always repeated. So in this way, you will encounter every question that has been asked in past 10 years, and in a way be sure that you will be able to solve all the questions that are given in your 2020 exam, that is on 19th. So yeah, in this way you can solve your English and just hardly half an hour a day for next 19 days and keep up with your preparations. If you liked the video, then hit the like button, the subscribe button, and never miss the bell icon so that you never miss a video from my 20-day series through which you can crack NIFT in just 20 days. So stay tuned, and yeah, all the best. Keep preparing.